Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today is week number 2 for Vita, which is every day in April. And this week what I'm going to do is take this look and totally deconstruct it so you can see each step in really bite-sized bite-sized pieces of how you can approach this. So if you need just one little piece, you can go straight to that and see how it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check it out. Thank you so much. The easiest way how to line your eyes is to make sure that you've already done your eye makeup and already done your concealer and set it. And if you haven't done that, go ahead and watch the previous episodes. And then what I like is a crayon type consistency. Urban Decay is my favorite, but what I'm using today is Monster, which is what I got in my mailbox. Shoot, I can't think the box that it was $10 a month. You got products, I can't think of it right now. But anyways, what I like to do is close my eye, obviously, lift my brow up, and from, let me just show you. So basically from the outside to the middle, I do outside in, and then from the inside to the middle, I do inside out. So that way it kind of doesn't catch those little wrinkles that we have in our eyeline, or in our eyelid. This eye has a little bit of eyeshadow in my lashes, but when I do my next video, how to apply mascara, that will cover it up. And then for the bottom lid, for the bottom lashes, I mean, you can do the inner rim if you would like. If makes it just make your eyes pop out a little bit. So when I do the inner rim, I like to kind of tip my head down, take my pinky, and kind of pull down and do little teeny short strokes like that. I hope you guys can see this. Like that. So you're kind of tipping the inner rim out so you don't have to get the pencil quite so close to your eyeball. There you go. And then something that you should not forget, which a lot of people do kind of overlook, and a lot of pros always do this when they're doing your makeup, is the color that they use in the outer crease. They will go in with a pencil brush. My pencil brush is used on a regular basis, so it's not clean. But they go in with a pencil brush in that same dark color. And then they go right at the lash line, and it's like they're lining the outer rim with that pencil brush. Do you see how that just kind of marries the top and the bottom so that they've got the same color scheme, where this one looks a little harsh because you've got the browns and the gold here, and then you've got the black, and then down here is just black. Whereas when I go in with that chocolate brown, it just kind of makes it blend. But when you do that, it has to be a pencil brush. It has to be a pencil brush. It can't be one of your crease brushes. It's got to be a pencil brush because the fibers in the pencil brush are really close together, and it's got that really good tip on it. And then you can tight line it and get right underneath the lash line when you're doing it. And it just makes your eyes look really clean. And if you look at magazines and celebrities and people that you might get makeup inspiration from, a lot of the times that's what they do to the eye look, and it makes it look really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, and I'll come back and show you how I do cheeks.